Welcome to this step-by-step guide on configuring your X-Developer application settings and generating your required API keys and tokens. To get started, log into the X-Developer console using your X account. On the dashboard, from the left navigation menu, click on Projects. On the Projects page, you can see that there is already a default project created. Select View Apps under your default project, and then similarly, you can see that a default application is also created. Click on your default app to open its details. Click on Settings in the top right corner to set up your user authentication settings. Choose Read and Write and Direct Message Permissions, select your application type, and then enter your callback URI and other related URIs. Scroll down and click Save Changes to update your settings, then close the OAuth 2.0 credential window. Next, navigate back to your app and select the Keys and Tokens tab. Under the OAuth 1.0 section, locate Consumer Key and Secret and click Regenerate. Confirm the action by clicking Yes, Regenerate. Copy and save your Consumer Key into API Key tab in the plugin and accordingly, Consumer Key Secret into API Secret tab. Now, locate Access Token and Secret and click Regenerate. Confirm by clicking Yes, Regenerate, and copy your new Access Token and Access Token Secret into the respective plugin settings. Please note that XAPI Access requires a paid plan for the features used by this integration, and your usage is subject to the limits of your selected plan. Make sure the required API access is active before using these credentials in the plugin. That's it. Your X integration is now ready to use.